I don't know if y'all can see down in there, but right there, this part right here is where the dual linear shift solenoid is at, and the V6 Accord automatic transmissions. um, I cleaned it up a little bit with some brake cleaner after I took the solenoid off. If you know what solenoid I'm talking about, it looks like this this solenoid right here, and if you turn it upside down, you can see on the inside. Let me try to get that clear. Hold on. Is it clear? Almost. I don't know. It's not clear for some reason. I'm trying to get it clear for y'all. All right, there we go. That little screen right there sometimes gets clogged up with the old burned up transmission fluid, and that'll cause your car to shift erratically and probably throw codes and stuff. I cleaned the screen out. I blasted it with some brake cleaner. If you blast it through this end, it'll come out that hole right there. It'll come out of there, and that's how it'll blast through. I blasted this hole too. I blasted all the cracks and crevices inside the shift solenoid, and it moves correctly now. I cleaned it out real good, and like I said, over here also, this is where the solenoid goes. If you see that right there, that's where the solenoid goes. I cleaned it out. If you look in at the middle tube right there, if you look way down in there, the screen is kind of clogged up. There's screens inside of these little tubes also. You got to clean those screens out. That screen is good. This screen has some debris inside of it, so check that one. See, that one is good also. So if you having shifting problems, before you take it to the transmission shop, you might want to take off your dual linear shift solenoid, clean the screens up too, and see how it acts before you go and spend all that money on a new transmission. Alright guys, this is part 2 of the video. I got this little tube from that middle hole right there where you see my finger at. This little tube was in there. I took it out because I noticed it had some blockage. It's got a screen inside of the tube. Let me see if I can clear this picture up for you here. Nope, we can't clear it. Anyhow, if you look through that tube, there's a screen in there. You can't see it real clear because my phone's not trying to be clear here. But there's blockage in the screen, which causes the shift solenoid, starves the shift solenoid of the transmission fluid passing through it to shift the gears. So I'm just gonna blow that out with some brake clean. Make sure I clean that screen, and once you do this, there's 2 other tubes in there also. There might be more tubes. Just try to take out all the little tubes. They all have little screens in them where the oil passes through. Take them out and clean the screens out and put it back in.